Hey, what's up guys, it's Theo from Concept. I'm sorry I haven't posted in a while. I have been working on the website and some few merges that I'll be sharing with you guys very soon. If you haven't subscribed to the Theo Labi channel, I think now is the best time to subscribe. Anyway, today I'm going to show you a very simple trick when editing pictures, especially when it comes to the teeth and the eyes. I'm going to show you how to be able to make them whiter in Adobe Photoshop. Now, the reason for this is I tend to increase the yellows a lot in my images just to make the pictures a little bit saturated. And I realized that anytime I do that, the eyes and the teeth also get saturated as well. So basically, that's what this tutorial is about. Anyway, let's just get started. Welcome to Concept. Click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Alright, so I'm going ahead to open this image up in Adobe Photoshop by right clicking, and I'll go to Adobe Photoshop CC 2019. I still don't get why I'm using this, but it works for me, so I'm just okay with it. Alright, so usually I'll just duplicate the background using Ctrl J like so. Then I'll just go into filter and click on camera raw filter, which is right here. Then inside the camera raw filter, I typically go into calibrations and I'll just increase the saturation of my greens. As you can see from here, this is what I have, probably around 15. And also the saturations of the blue, as you can see from here, somewhere like this is okay for me. Now, this is something I typically do on all of my images. So basically that is it. Now I'll click on OK. Now, as you can pretty much notice, if I turn the eyeball off and on, you can see that the eyes and the teeth becomes more yellowish. That is because they are also yellow, so editing that part is also going to edit that. Now, to correct this, what I do is I'll grab the lasso tool, which is right here, the lasso tool. I don't use any of the other ones, just the main lasso tool, and I'll click and drag over the eye like so. Then I'll hold down the shift key. Now you see that the lasso tool changes to this plus icon. I'm fumbling a lot because I haven't actually created a tutorial in a long time. Now, holding down the shift key, I can also select this eye. Still holding down the shift key, I can select in between the mouth. Now I try as much as possible not to select outside of it, or any yellowish part is also going to be affected. So I'll do the exact same thing here. Select just this area. Select over here as well, and select over here as well. So basically this is what I have. Now, you know what, let's create a duplicate so that we can see the before and the after. Now I'll go back into filter and camera raw filter again. Now typically what it will do is it will show you those areas you've sampled, and every editing is going to be affecting everything in this rectangle here, but don't worry about that. It's the parts we've selected that is only going to be affected. Now, inside the camera raw, I'll just go into HSL, which stands for hue, saturation, and luminance. And over here, I'll just turn down the yellows. I'll move over to saturation, of course, not in hue, saturation. I'll turn down the yellows to not all the way to negative 100, probably somewhere around negative 80 or negative 75 should be just fine. Then I'll go into the luminance and I'll also turn up the yellows. Now, we are dealing with yellows here, so it is only going to be affecting these portions. In case it was red, it's also going to be affecting them like so, but just the yellows is okay for the teeth. And I'll just, I think about 40 is okay, and I'll just click on OK. So if I go ahead and deselect this using Ctrl D, or just right click and go to deselect, any of them will work, and toggle this off and on, you can pretty much see that the teeth are a bit whiter now. Sorry, my images are looking a bit desaturated. So this is what we have before and after. And this is basically what I do to my images before I even upload them on Instagram. So yeah, I think that is it. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like to watch more of my videos, hit that subscribe button, and as always, don't forget to share with your family and friends. This is Theo from Concept, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.